Hi dear students, the last class we discussed about the data representation chapter. You know what is data. Data means nothing but it is a collection of facts and figures. Facts nothing but the numbers and alphabets, figures nothing but images or pictures. Okay, the computer can last class we discussed about the computer can knows which language. It knows binary language or machine language. Okay, why it is knows the computer is made up of electronic devices. Electronic devices knows only two words, that is on and off state. On and off state. On means 1, then off means 0. That's why the computer knows, see, binary language. By means 2. 2, it knows only two digits, that is 0 and 1. Okay, see, when you are given 27, any number, okay, any number, if you give any number, that will be converted automatically, it converted into binary form. Okay, that you have to study how it will be converted into binary form, that you have to study in this chapter. Okay, data representation. Okay, before this data representation chapter, first of all you have to know about the number system. What is number system? Number system nothing but, see, the numbers which have some certain values. The numbers which have certain see, the system which have certain values, that is called number system. Number system, see, there are two types of number system. Last class we discussed about this. One is a non-positional number system. Non-positional number system. The second one is a positional number system. Non-positional, second one is a positional number system. See, non-positional number system is these number system has Roman numbers already discussed here. See, Roman numbers, it's very difficult to understand. It's very difficult to understand the Roman numbers, because see, for example, for Roman numbers, this is what is the value of this? X means that is a 10. See, for example, I am writing here XL means its value is 40. Okay, it's very difficult to understand and remember. That's why nowadays we are using positional number system. Positional number system, positional number system which has a value, which has some weight. These number system which has some weight. For example, I am taking 489. 489, it is one number which it consists of tens, units, then 8 means tens, then 4 means hundreds. How to read this? How to read this number 489? It has some weight. Okay, that's why these type of number systems are called positional number system. Okay, last class we discussed about these. Okay, then these are what? These are the types of number systems. Okay, in the positional number system there are 4 types of positional number system. There are 4 types of positional number system. One is a decimal number system. The second one is a binary number system. Binary number system. Third one is a octal number system. Then fourth one is a, see, the fourth one is a hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. See, decimal number system which has base 10. These type of number systems are called decimal number system. Decimal number system always it has how many digits? 10 digits. 10 digits, that is from 0 to 9. That is from 0 to 9 digits. 0 to 9 digits. Okay, see, for example for decimal number system which has base 10 means, see, for example, I am writing 489. If you write, this is a decimal number system. For example, I am writing 208. It is a decimal number system because it has including numbers from 0 to 9 only. 0 to 9 numbers, so it is 208. Okay, 208 means it is a decimal number system. Okay, then for example, I am writing 100. See, it is also one decimal number system. Got it? Okay, decimal number system, these are the example for which has base 10. The number system which has base 10, that is called what? Decimal number system. Then the second one is a binary number system. Binary number system which has a base 2. Which has base 2. It has always only 2 digits. It has only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. That is 0 and 1. Last class you discussed about this 0 and 1. For example, for these, example is 1101. This is a binary. This is a binary number system which includes only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. Okay, which has a base 2. Yav 2 base irutte, that is nothing but binary number system. Got it? Okay, this is you have to remember. Then octal number system which has a base 8. Then hexadecimal number system which has base 16. Okay, last class you discussed about this. See, 16 means which has 0 to 9, 0 to 9 numbers. Then here 10 means A, then 11 means B, then 12 means C, 13 means D, then 14 means E, then 15 means nothing but it is F. 0 to F digits. Okay, always hexadecimal numbers, it consists of 16 digits, that is from 0 to 9, then A to F. Got it? These you have to remember. Okay, these are helpful for when you are solving the problems. Okay, this is you have to remember. These are what the last class we discussed about these. Okay, the today class we have to discuss about how to convert the numbers. Okay, how to conversion of numbers from decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. Okay, now see, in examination they will ask you convert decimal to binary. Decimal base you know 10, the binary base will be always 2. Okay, then in examination they will give like this 27, you have to, this is in decimal, you have to convert it into binary. You have to convert it into binary. How to convert this 27 to binary? Okay, istay kotirtane problem for 2 marks. Okay, this problem asked for 2 or 3 times in examination. See how to convert this decimal number to binary. Binary means 2, just you have to divide it, this 27 into 2. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, divided by 2 madri. See, 2 ones are, then 2 threes are, carry 1. Why it is 1? 2 13s are how much? 26. 26 means remainder is 1. Okay, this is a remainder is 1. Okay, the next, then 2s are 2, 6s are 12. 2 6s are 12, then the remainder will be 1. The next 2 3s are, the remainder will be 0. Okay, then 2 1s are, the remainder will be 1. Then take this answer from bottom to top. Okay, what is the answer? 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1. Then you have to give the base. This is what, this is a conversion. I am converting this decimal number to binary. Okay, in computer if you type 27, automatically it convert it into binary format, that is nothing but 11011, because the computer knows which language? Binary language. Okay, binary language, that is 0 and 1. Okay, 0 and 1, like this it will convert it. Got it? Okay, this is what, this is a 27 will be converted into binary form. Okay, the next one is a, for example, they are given you 60 43. Okay, 43 you have to convert it to binary form. How to convert this into binary? See, take 43 divided by 2. Okay, 43, 2 ones are 2, then 2 twos are 4, then 2 ones are, then carry 1. See, then 2 tens are 20, carry 1, 2 fives are Okay, this is what? This is a 0, no carry, then 2, 2, 2s are 4, carry 1, then 2 1s are, the answer will be 1 0 1 0 1 1. This is what? This is a conversion. How to convert this into binary form? Okay, this is you have to remember. Okay, like these questions asked in the examination for 2 marks. Okay, the next one is you have to convert 165. See, convert 165. It is in decimal. You have to convert it to binary. How to convert this into binary? Take 165 divided by 2. Okay, see, 2 8s are 16, then 2s are 4, carry 1. Then next 2 4s are 8, then 1s are 0. Then 2 2s are 2 20s are how much? 40, carry 1. Then next 2 10s are, okay, 2 10s are 20, then carry 0. Then 2 5s are, carry 0. 2 2s are 4, carry 1. 2 1s are, then take from bottom to top, 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, this is what? This is the answer. This is the answer for how to convert 165 into a binary number. Okay, you have to convert next. Okay, I have given some assignments. You have to convert 73. Okay, 73. This is in a, okay, take 173, it is in decimal, convert it into binary, then take 69, convert it into binary. These are the assignments. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ you have to send to my WhatsApp number. Okay, WhatsApp number ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ. 173 you have to convert it into binary, then 69 you can convert it to binary. Okay, this is what? This is how to convert decimal to binary. Okay, this is what is the first. Then next class we discuss about the how to convert decimal to octal. Okay, then thank you for watching this video.